Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on my video. Stay outside and explore. Hey, I got something to show you. Kind of disappointed. I only built this like I don't know, 3 years ago. Look at this. It's my raised garden. You can see it's like all rotten away, and I used I mean, I know pine, but 3 years? It's like all falling apart here. I gotta rebuild this whole section. Must have had a wicked winter. And I didn't want to use any chemical treated lumber. I used 2x, looks like, I think it was 2x6 pine or 2x8 pine. And yeah, now it's all falling apart. I got, I need to do some work around my garden, but I got this steel that'll hold up. I got another one I got to put together, and I'm not sure if I'm going to put it this way or this way, just maybe this way. But yeah, kind of disappointed in how that held up. Oh well, I'll figure something out. I'm reheating some pizza. Should taste just like it did last night. Gotta wait a few more minutes and see how it is. Here's a taste test. Still got the crunch just like yesterday. All right, we're heading to my favorite store, get some chicken feed, maybe about some weed and feed for the grass, get rid of those dandelions, and we'll see what else there's on sale. Yeah, nice day, can't complain. All right, I got all my goodies. I got 100 pounds of chicken feed, and then 2 big bags of lawn fertilizer, and then some weed spray that my wife uses, and then I got some cashews. They're always a good deal over here. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and start putting down that fertilizer, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Good time to do it. There's all the goodies. Time to unload. Got my cashews. Yum yum. Well, that should be it for this video. I got it all fertilized, the lawn, made it almost the whole entire acre, but about 3/4 of the way it's fertilized. So we'll see how I did in the next coming weeks. And if you like this video, please subscribe. and I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Appreciate everybody watching. Have a good day.